Kurushkul, once a small village in Bangladesh's Cox's Bazar district, some 400 kilometers southeast of the capital Dhaka, now boasts Bangladesh's first wind power plant built by a Chinese company. The plant, a large-scale centralized wind power plant with 22 wind turbines with a single capacity of 3 megawatts installed, has started operation, facilitating the South Asian country's energy transition and green development. The Cox's Bazar wind power project is invested by Wuling Power Corporation, a subsidiary of China State Power Investment Corporation, and built by Power China Chengdu Engineering Corporation.
投产后每年可提供超过 1.45 亿度绿色电力，一定程度上缓解了当地严重缺电的情况，同时可减少煤炭消耗 4.46 万吨，二氧化碳排放量 10.92 万吨，满足10万家庭用电需求。项目建设过程中也为当地提供了1500余个工作岗位。
I graduated from China Three Gorges University. After graduation, I joined this company in China. So it's also a great chance to work here in a new technology in my home country. And I believe in future my country can develop a big generation in the renewable energy. So it will help my country environment because wind is very green energy and also help reduce the carbon emission.